Welcome, today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration section. Here we have selected the sound mode. Just to activate the silent mode, switch sound to the silent. Now ringtones and notifications, they will be muted. This means that the silent mode is activated. If you wanna turn off the silent mode by the same way, you can switch it to the sound. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. After that, you'll see here the sound icon. Just to activate the silent mode, click twice on the sound icon and that will be switched automatically to the silent. And to turn it off, click once again on the silent icon and that's it. And we can make it by the search bar. Just press the up or down volume button and then click here to the settings, and from here you can also launch the sound settings on your device. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.